Just got my hair washed today, and this is the result. Got quite the throw going. Now I'm just watching the boys play pool. Jonas just versed the bartender, and now Lewis is versing the other bartender.
Tell me the league can't be 0-2.
There's Matt and Yankow.
James.
We've just gone out for dinner with our new friend Yankow, who we have nicknamed James. We're trying to pay the bill, but it's taken literally 20 minutes to sort out the cash because we have to pay $1,087,000, and the notes here, it's crazy. Even took the staff 10 minutes to count the notes. Now we're in a tuk-tuk again on the way to Boozy Bowling with our new friend James. Oh.
What's wrong with that?
Now we're at the archery field, and Yankow is going to teach us. He actually shoots in China archery and pistols.
Okay, ready? Oh, blue. Good.
Pretty good for your first shot.
I haven't got one yet. Here we go. Like, someone's gonna, like, get out of the way.